Hello everyone, this is Faiza from Faiza Travels and welcome back to my channel. This is our 4th day in Honolulu, Hawaii, and today we have decided to go to the Polynesian Culture Center to see the Polynesian show and Polynesian dinner after the show. We already purchased tickets back home in Chicago for the Polynesian Culture Center. Per person, it was around $400. The next 2 days, we visited the Diamond Head Monument, Chinaman Head, Turtle Beach, and a very beautiful waterfall. Please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the little bell to see when I post more travel videos. Thank you so much.
Around 4:30 unbelievable. So you guys have any questions, anything, just let her know. She knows everything over here, so she can have a wonderful time, okay? You guys ready? Please get up and follow and enjoy the day.
We're gonna head this way, family, let's go! Okay, we're gonna head this way.
We're just going.
Hello family, welcome to...
Alright, guys, ready, please? Okay, there's only one thing for you. Take C for the ride today.
No.
You guys stand up. Take the best off after the water.
We got this, family. On three. 1, 2, and... On three. 1, 2, 3. Masih ada pull to your left. Mulai 3. Masih ada pull down left. Maka 2 and 3 to your right. Maka 2 and 3.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the island of Tonga. Here in Tonga, they call me the master of the drums, and our drummer go let Nafa. Can everybody say Nafa? My name is Sione Areki Tagune Tukuta Mai Kakahefu Niu Hifo Kilalo Heka Hosi Junior. Can you say it? Junior will do. Ladies and children, sit back and relax. The men are going to perform for you today. Ladies, only one. Happy? You like that, ladies?
I'll just go grab stuff, okay? Do you mind holding my fan for me? We're going to be making fish today. So the first step is really, really hard. I want you to take both sides of
No, you gotta go under.
That was the one we did so long ago.
Yeah, under this one.
Just that one?
Yeah.
And then we'll go over?
No, under, that's it.
That's
Pull
it.
There you go. That's it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, so you have pull it.
Yeah. Look, I made my fish pool.
Like this.
Everyone good?
Everybody's good.
Perfect. These ones are the painless kind. Alrighty, family, we're gonna try head over to the show.
But this is supposed to be like
Sammy.
Loki warrior kind of
Music Society people. They practice animism and build sacred temples of worship like the one you see right out here. The high priest have asked the gods for blessings for the chief and his people. Notice that our temple is highly elevated. The belief was that the taller the structure, the closer the communications with our ancestral gods. The gods have granted blessings to the chief and his people. These newcomers introduced a new social hierarchy system where the chiefly titles were inherited by bloodline, and chiefs were believed to be descendants of ancestral gods. Standing in front of you is the model of a chief from the islands of Fiji. He's dressed up in a chiefly attire with a skirt made from the dried pinda and the sleeves called voi voi. He wears a vesta around his arms and ankles from the coconut husk, and he wears the mother pearl shell around his neck, and the markings on his face signifies his royal status. Of course, he holds the war club in his hands, the sign of his power and his authority. He will now invite his people to a dance called Tura, depicting the safe arrival to this newfound land.
Bro! Bro! Bye! 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 Bye!
Between rival chiefs and kingdoms. We use taboo in many of our ceremonies. One such ceremony that we use the taboo for is a Dumuthi ceremony, where the family of a female will await the arrival of the family of a male who will present them with a tambua asking for the daughter's hand in marriage. These are normally done to solidify and forge alliances between tribes. What you're about to witness now is a condensed version of a Dumuthi ceremony, where a high chief will await the arrival of the visitors who will present him with a tambua, asking him for his daughter's hand in marriage. The ceremony would begin with the beating of the drum called the lali. As we await the arrival of the visitors, once they arrive, they will call out. This is the highest form of respect. The chiefs accord each other, acknowledging rank and titles. As the ceremony begins, the spokesperson will introduce the party to their ancestral lineage. They have comments between the two tribes before stating the purpose of their visit, which is the marriage proposal. Our high chief, before formally accepting the tambua, will now summon his daughter to let her know of the marriage proposal. Andilautiki, my precious daughter, I'm holding a tambua in my hands, a presentation for the rival tribe, asking for your hand in marriage to their fine prince. The princess has agreed to the marriage proposal. She has no choice. The ceremony now ends, and the high chief now presents his daughter, Andi Lautiki.
Anyone ever seen any one of these before? No? This here is called our breadfruit tree. Have you ever heard of breadfruit? No. So this one here is a cousin of the jackfruit, which you might have maybe heard of. Jackfruit. So it's a cousin. This is a big staple that they use here throughout the island. This one is like a replacement for stuff. Yeah. So just spread out.
MAUI, our native language, by our spokesman, and their beautiful song that was sung in monotone was to support the words of our speaker and also acknowledge your visit here today. Do you feel welcome? Yes! Awesome. So it's saying that.
Timmy?
So good afternoon, family. Give me a thumbs up if you're ready to swim. Nah, I'm kidding. No one's gonna get wet today. To start this tour, family, can I hear a big loud aloha?
Aloha!
There we go. Welcome to your canoe ride, the last kingdom island of Polynesia. Because of all the islands here, Tonga is the only one that still has a king and queen. No foreign power has ever conquered them or colonized them. In fact, they don't even have McDonald's in Tonga. Yeah, sad day to be a student. To your left-hand side, family, you'll find smaller canoes. Those are actually my favorites. They're called the outrigger. The reason why I say it's my favorite, it's not me who'll be pedaling. So feel free to come back to Tonga and try them out for yourselves. Do not worry if you have no experience pedaling a canoe. A Tongan villager will help pedal with you. To your right-hand side, family, speaking of canoes, the longest canoe we have in the center, this is called the Wakatawa of Aotearoa. In English, it translates to War Canoe of New Zealand. So that's a canoe you do not want to see in the ocean. They used that before when raiding other villages. It was made from one big tree known as the kauri tree and unripe bunches of bananas.
Wait, hold on. It's more likely you'll die from a coconut falling on your head or what?
Or a shark attack. Yeah. Here, left-hand side family, you'll find ulu, this green orb-looking fruits. In English, it is called breadfruit. So breadfruit doesn't taste like bread. It also doesn't taste like a fruit. It's more like a sweet potato, very starchy. If you want to taste ulu today, family, just go back to Samoa and look for their humukuka, or their outdoor kitchen. In the Samoan kitchen, though, family, do not be surprised to find only men inside. It's because traditionally in Samoa,
Kaholo means to travel. Our dancer takes 2 steps to the right and 2 steps to the left while he bends his knees, sways his hips, and his back is nice and straight. Our kaholo can resemble that no matter where you go or where you travel, you can always find your way back home. And again, this is called kaholo. This next step is called hela. Hela means to spread forth. His feet are stationary this time, and his hips are doing the moving. They're doing 4 motions one way, then they'll switch to doing 4 motions.
Other than that. The last name is Yes. All right. Great to have you. Thank you.
Love and well-being.
You like that song?
Contributions of Hawaii's last lady, Her Majesty Queen Lady Wong. Educated in the Royal School, Lydia loved to read books and learn and was raised and grew to become a ruler. And one of the greatest gifts that she provided, 2,000-line chant that sagas the creation of the cosmos and the world you were born in. According to Hawaiian legend, in the beginning there was only darkness. Then born was Kumunipo, a male, and Mamele, a female. This is the cosmic darkness that gives birth to all living beings.
Did you try it? Is it good?
Yeah.
Kaka.
I want to pick you off the bush. And so I give myself to you, freely from head to toe. And what's the reason again? Just these genealogies, reminding everyone of the ancient lineage of the royal families. Dressed in the royal fashions of the late 1800s, our kanakakahili, or bearers of the tall feathered standards, Hawaiian symbols of the royalty, lead the procession. Moku, a royal advisor.
We present to you Hawaii's last ruling monarch and only sovereign queen, Her Majesty of the Royal House of Kalakaua, Lilia Lili'u Loloku Vevehi Kamakaeha, Queen Lili'u. Mahalo Ohana, please be seated.
Go right. I'm going right.
By traffic, you never know. It's okay.
Basam, sit down.
Oh, careful. Oh, gosh.
Last time I take a picture with you. Stand over him. I gotta get this guy, man. That's it. Shit, mabisi na.
I'm happy to go down now, but yeah, it's the same deal as there. I'm not sure what's not.
Phải là khẩu bị chừng bị chừng. Sao nó muốn thế?